Hey vlog. So this is the week leading up to my grand opening. My new salon still here, but we're going for a new vibe, new look, new colors, pretty much the same aesthetic, just a new look, literally. My favorite thing to do, if you were wondering, is to literally recreate the same space after a while. And honestly, I think I did pretty good because I've been in this, literally next Saturday will mark 2 years. I have been in this space, and I've had the same color. I pretty much had the same like decorations and pictures and frames and everything. So to celebrate 2 years, I'm gonna do like a soft re-grand opening. Just kind of like stop in, take some pics, see the new look, enter into a gift basket, hair raffle, some food. I'm thinking about chicken wings. I just keep thinking chicken wings, some mimosas, wine and everything, just to celebrate. I made it 2 years, not on this level, like 2 years where your girl is like literally a business entity. I have my articles of organization, babe. My business bank account, babe. I have my website. Oh, also, I am launching my new website. I'm launching my new website and I'm so excited because I've been needing a website. So I was gonna invest in it, but honestly, it's just not in the budget for the 2 people I really want to do it. So for right now, I'm just gonna do something like just straight to the point where everything is under one umbrella essentially, and everybody can find everything they need to know: policies, booking, who I am, what I offer, products. Everything will just be under this one umbrella, and I'm really excited. I have been working so hard all week, and I have not been vlogging because I honestly, like, it's been a lot trying to brand for my social media, which is my Instagram, and then also trying to export, import everything as far as client information, services, pricing, budget. Like, y'all, it's been a lot going on. But after Saturday, we are going to be back to scheduled programming, tip videos for Saturday, and yeah, so it's things are getting done, work is happening. I'm really excited, so grateful to even, like, this is a full circle moment, and it's just a step closer to like the bigger picture, like the what I really see for myself a few years from now. Like, it's just every goal that I hit and every celebratory moment that we celebrate is just like a step closer to like really seeing the overall big picture and having my own space, eventually expanding and actually just really growing. So nice. So in this vlog, y'all might see a little bit of everything. I really don't know. I'm just gonna record, and we gonna see what we come up with. But I wanted to just kind of jump in and say, hey, this is a new vlog. If you are new here, hey girl, I'm JD, operator and owner of Nicole Custom LLC. I am a small business owner, licensed cosmetologist in the state of Michigan. I specialize in natural hair, protective styling, overall the maintenance and the health of our natural hair. And over here on YouTube, I do tip videos, weekly salon vlogs, sometimes tutorials, sometimes transformations. Honestly, depends on what the week and the month brings. But you can join us, our little community of aspiring business owners, small business owners, new students, cosmetology students, wherever it is, wherever you fall into the mix, fall into it, girl. Overall, just consider me like your virtual mentor, your virtual bestie, who is here to help you and encourage you along your journey, whatever that looks like for you. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know I love to see you. Pretty much what I came here to say. On today's agenda, I have to do my mom's hair. She would be my last one. And then I have to go to Home Depot, pick out the color that I actually want, and just look at the different shades and figure out which color I actually want to do. And then I have to work on my website, and I have to send out a blast email and a text just to inform my clients like that I am actually doing a special. I'm doing a special. I'm gonna call it the sweet party. I'm gonna call it the re-grand opening. I'm gonna call that the sweet party. But I'm gonna send out a blast email to all my clients that are in my books right now, and just remind them like we're a week away. And the new booking link is live. I opened up all of April already, so they get early access to book if they want to book for April. And I'm also doing a 20% off coupon up until the day of the sweet party, which is Saturday. And just as a thank you, like literally just as a thank you, like, oh my God, it's been 2 years, we made it. Thank y'all for your support. And then I'm going to get me something to eat because your girl is hungry. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will check back in with y'all later once we got some tea to talk about. Y'all, I didn't tell y'all, I didn't show y'all. Look what I did. I got my lashes done. Not mad at it. Really helps the bald head. And they so natural, but they so cute. So cute. She did such a good job. And I got them done Monday. It's Friday. Look at that. And this is a classic set. Like, I didn't get volume or nothing crazy. And this is a lot of freaking lashes on my eyes. Like, what the heck? I think I'm a lash girl now. I think I'm a lash babe. I think I'm gonna be a lash babe. I finally joined the crew, so I don't feel left out no more. Call me hot girl. Call me hot girl. I'm just like, okay, I just want to show you my lashes. I know I gotta make my list for like stuff I need to get as far as like water bottles. bright it looks in here, but like it's so just soft. Update, it is freaking Tuesday. It's the start of my week. There was a miscommunication. Or it was probably me misunderstanding, because I just knew he does such a great job. This is why I wanted him to do it. This is the same guy who painted it the first time. But anyway, y'all, I cannot work today. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, oh yeah, I can take my clients. Awkward. I guess I could work here up the hall for me. That I just like literally moved all my stuff to while he painted. I feel crazy as hell. I guess it would make sense that I wouldn't be able to work. Okay. So at least I got enough time to, if I don't know, we'll see how I'm for, gosh, okay, whatever. We have a painted suite, guys. Look. My favorite freaking part is the black wall. I'm pretty sure that's why I'm gonna do my videos now. Anyway, we're gonna do the mini haul. I said I wasn't buying too much stuff, like aside from like coffee and snacks and water bottles and stuff like that to refill, but I wasn't buying too much stuff to redecorate in a sense. But however, got a little time in between clients to get some stuff done that I could think of off the top of my head. So I got a bar cart that I'm bringing in here. Super cute, so I can keep my wine and my coffee. This only makes sense. Only made sense, okay? I need some so that. I thought these was cute for $10. Cute. I got this finally to try because I know TJ Maxx is like one of the places that always carries it. So I'm gonna start with the vanilla bean. I really appreciate vanilla bean flavor and stuff. So wine down Saturdays with mimosas. So if you ever book an appointment on a Saturday, we're gonna have mimosas in these cute glasses. They're so thick and like nice quality. Then I got her. She kind of reminded me of me. Boom. Look at that. She's really cute. I got her. Then I didn't go too crazy with the fake plants because I want to give me some real ones. However, I got this one. I thought this is cute. Then I got this one. This is $12. Myself for $12. Thought that was cute. This is something I have at home, actually. I have on my home, like ledge in my bedroom. Love that. Boom. I got me a step stool over here, so when we go to hang up pictures and shelves and all that. I got some cute, it's 10 of these for $5. So, and I got some hand soap for my sink. These curtains. I feel like that goes really well. When we coming down, my privacy screen, oh, I think that'd be nice. And then if I have to close my curtain, I can because they're like the darkening curtains, so it'll close us in, but that's just an option. So that is everything, my little mini TJ Maxx haul. We're gonna go on to the next thing, whatever that might be, but I'll see you guys.